In this video, I'll be showing you how to change an employer or activity on mywex.ca. To do this, we start at the Career Ed website, or you can click on the link beside the video link directly to the form. However, this is another way to access it. If you go to the menu, Educators, slide down to the menu on the left side where it says SD35 Staff Documents. And at the very bottom are the WEX documents. Note that you must be logged into your SD35 Office 365 account to access all of these documents. And this is where we find everything for WEX and the link to the mywex Employer Activity Change Request form. This actually takes you back to the website, and there's a form online that you can complete. Notice that for the starred sections, these require data to be entered and able to submit this form. So put in your name, put in your work email, and put in your work phone number. Next, we need to determine, is this a new employer? And if so, stop, because we don't submit it here. You need to submit this directly onto mywex. So there's instructions and a link here for how to complete this. If it's an existing employer, then we can enter the employer details here. If we don't need to make a change to the employer details, we're going to go no changes to employer section and slide down to the activity section. In this case, I'm going to make one small change. Please read. Only complete the sections below that you need to be updated. Required sections are indicated with the asterisks. If there are no changes, leave the section blank. So there are very few sections that have asterisks, but it's very important not to change anything if you don't have to, because these have to be manually changed by one of us at the Career Ed department. So the employer name, make sure this is exactly as it appears on mywex. I'm going to use 888 Bikes. And let's say they change their address. So now, just put in the new information. They're at 444 State Street. They're still in Langley. Actually, I can leave that blank since it's already in there. And their postal code has changed to a new one. Everything else remains the same, so I'm just going to keep on going. Next section is activity details. Note that this is also another required section. So if there's no changes, keep it as it is. If you're updating an existing activity, please indicate there. Or if you need us to add a new one, do it there. Again, if it's a new employer, we're not going to enter it here. We're going to complete the procedure on mywex directly. It'll be a lot quicker for you. So let's update an existing activity, and in this case, all we're going to do is change the dress code. Now the dress code requires black shoes and white shirt. We're good to go. Scroll to the bottom. If there's anything else that we need to know about, complete this last section, and you can submit. You should see a confirmation message. And again, if it is urgent, please email us so that we can get this change into mywex sooner rather than later so that you can go ahead with a student placement. Thanks for watching.